Hey there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Yachts Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at a 2024 Boston Whaler 25 Outrage. Now the first thing you're going to notice on this one behind me is it does have the platinum hull, underside of the hardtop, black stanchions, and black motors. You edge it off with the black rub rail, and that really makes the entire boat pop. Not to mention we do have the anniversary edition gray seating, which really looks great on this boat. We're going to be powered by twin Mercury 225. So now we're inside the cockpit of the 25 Outrage. And the first thing you're going to notice is we have a nice walkway space here in the cockpit. You do have a foldable seat here, which stows away nicely when you don't want to use it. Great seating for two. We also here have access to both live wells. One aft, one forward right on, underneath these grab handles, which is great. We do twin fish boxes on both sides, and then access to the bilge. The really neat thing about this boat is going to be the black stanchions with the platinum. That really makes the boat pop. The gray seating, the platinum hull, the platinum underside of the hardtop. It looks really, really great on the water. Up here at the helm, we're going to have twin Simrad GPSs. We do have your JL audio, Simrad controls, and then Mercury vessel view. And we do have the T-top storage as well as a glove box here at the helm. Let's go ahead and step forward and see what she has in the head compartment. Very, very large head here. It is going to actually be one you could stand up in, which is pretty big for a 25-foot boat. And then just forward here of the helm is going to be the forward seating, so two people comfortably. And then they actually have a third box, or you can use it as a cooler, whichever you're more comfortable with. Great in-floor storage, and then storage in front of you before you end off with the windlass. So come on down, check out the boat. Patrick Rourke at MarineMax Clearwater. We're here 7 days a week. Talk to you soon.